I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Tuft tokens to USD using Trust Wallet. We will cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth transaction. First, make sure your Trust Wallet is set up and funded with Tuft tokens. You will also need a small amount of the network's native cryptocurrency, like BNB or ETH, to cover the transaction fees. This guide will walk you through each part of the process. To begin, open your Trust Wallet and access the D-App browser. This browser allows you to interact with various decentralized applications. Next, search for a reliable decentralized exchange, often called a DEX, that supports the Tuft to USD trading pair. Once found, securely connect your Trust Wallet to the DEX. Always double-check the website address to avoid phishing scams. Now, within the decentralized exchange interface, select Tuft as the token you want to swap from and USD as the token you wish to receive. Carefully input the exact number of Tuft tokens you want to convert. Before proceeding, thoroughly review all transaction details. Pay close attention to the estimated gas fees and any potential slippage, which is typically set to 1% or less. After reviewing the details, confirm the transaction. Your Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the swap, requiring a final authorization. Once approved, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain network for processing. This usually takes a few moments, depending on network congestion. Finally, check your Trust Wallet to confirm that your new USD balance is correctly reflected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.